guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, sup. Today I decided to take you guys with me as I got some Jack in the Box. You know what, let's just get straight into it, you guys, because I'm starving and then we can talk later. Yum. This is their junior bacon cheeseburger. This is their tacos. I get it without lettuce. What the hell? They gave me the wrong fries. I ordered curly fries to be substituted for their loaded wedges, but that's okay. We're still gonna go in. So this is what it looks like. I've never had it before. Pretty good. I like their cheese, and that bacon is nice and salty. You know I'm all about the sauces. You guys, my channel is easily becoming a mukbang channel, and I'm all for it. It's funny because I started this channel to track my fitness progress. It's the tacos for me. Like, I know a lot of people don't like their tacos, but get it without lettuce, dip it in your buttermilk, and it's so good. Like I was saying, this is my go-to cheat meal fast food restaurant. I feel like because they have so much variety, like I can have a burger, fries, a taco, chicken nuggets. But you know what? I'm going to call you out, Jack in the Box. I feel like my camera keeps dying. As you guys know, I recently got the ZV1 Sony camera, and I love it, but the only thing is it overheats so easily. Like, I'm barely filming, and it'll always overheat, and I have to, like, let it cool down. It's such a mess. So hopefully it won't keep dying during this video, because I want you guys to see me eat everything. Like my very first car mukbang at Chick-fil-A, my camera kept dying, and so there was like cut out scenes, so it didn't look like I ate it all, but I actually did. I dogged that. I'm usually a really slow eater. I love to enjoy my food and savor it, but I don't want a 30-minute video, so I'm going to try to eat fast for y'all. I'm kind of sad. I wish I had curly fries. I'm actually not, like, a big fan of chicken tenders. My sister is, so anytime we do have our cheat meal here, we split their tenders. But I've actually never had their spicy ones, and they just came out a few days ago. Apparently, they brought it back. I never knew it came and left, so we'll see. Okay, there's a kick. It's nice. I like it. It's kind of mild, but it's kind of building too. Way better than their original. I have so much patience, you guys, but I'm officially annoyed because it keeps dying. I kind of wish I would have got an order of their mozzarella cheese sticks. I don't know what it is, but I've been on this like cheese binge lately, which is kind of bad because I'm a little lactose. If it looks like I'm sweating, it's because I am. Oh my god, this is what a day. I ended up moving the car to see if getting out of the direct sunlight would help from my camera overheating, and so obviously the lighting looks a bit different. Sorry, this is a fail. If you live in the NorCal area, then you know we've been having some weird ass weather over here. Like, it's been so hot, and then one night out of nowhere, we had a crazy thunderstorm, which caused all these wildfires everywhere. And so if you look outside, the air quality is so bad, it's so hazy, there's like soot everywhere. And it's crazy because it was so last minute, like, they didn't predict it until like right before it happened. It's so odd to me. These tacos are so nostalgic to me. They're so cheap, right? They're like, what, 2 for $1? Two for $1.29. My family and I would like buy hella these, like buy 50 of them and just go ham. I'm telling you guys, I don't eat this fast. Oh, I was saying earlier about their junior bacon cheeseburger. I'm exposing you guys. Jack in the Box. It used to not be this small. Look how thin their patty is. It for sure got smaller. I feel like I don't see that many people do Jack in the Box mukbangs. Like, I see a lot of Raising Cane's, Chick-fil-A, what else? Popeyes, Taco Bell, but not that many of Jack in the Box. Why is that? Like, their food's pretty good. I think moving my car really helped. My camera hasn't died yet. Even though this has been a crappy year, it's going by so fast. It's almost September. My sister just told me some good and bad news. She read somewhere that Starbucks is releasing their fall drinks early. Like, I think they're going to do it by the end of August. Y'all, fall Starbucks drinks are my favorite. They're like my favorite thing ever, okay? I love pumpkin spice everything. The bad news is I love pumpkin spice everything, and I want to have it all the time. I spoke too soon, it died again. What is wrong with my camera? It just does not do well in the heat at all. I don't have this problem though when I'm filming at home, so it just literally does not do well in the outdoors, which sucks because it's a vlogging camera. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use my hands. You guys, if you haven't seen my Korean cheese video, head over there. Because that thing was so freaking good. Like, I'm for sure gonna be making that again. I ended up making it for the rest of my family and they loved it. It was even good like the next couple days. Alright, you guys, I'm going to save these strips for my family so they can give it a try. I have to redeem myself where can I go to next? I need to redeem myself with a better car mukbang because this was a hot ass mess. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.